as NPP office ne so and almost Sansane Ebejina Kwadu market or Y Junction and one Sambejina Honum say it's your cast no at Waso and on our one at Waso Hona Amui barricade from one cast no at the Begu a year Y Junction ties be a survey as runabout. Amu de Begu a Honum say and police for no do
guys, this fast so fast on Ghana Sem TV. Do like, share, and subscribe. So, guys, there's a high security presence in Akwatia. Guys, a lot of security checkpoints. The police are patrolling Akwatia. Just as the IGP Yowonu indicated after meeting with all the political parties, he told them that this time around he is bringing in over 500 policemen. And indeed, they have mounted a lot of security checkpoints. Today, go to Akwatia, high police vehicles, like sophisticated ones that can combat any action or attack on anybody who will cause chaos, is there. Guys, in a video I'm going to show you in about some few minutes, guys, IGP Yowonu has delivered. Now, the Akwatia constituency has become a security hub. Nobody can come in and out. Not a big.
Ebusia enche na IGP ebehye Ghana man ne Akwatia man nyina bose by election na eda yenim ewo Akwatia no ne mbafo mbehwe se basabasa bia ensi ne 22nd August bpm ewo Akwatia police for no ebo mmodin yie pa checkpoint ahodro na koso Akwatia enye asem keto akora mamofri asaman ede ba ofri akra oforidua na obefa asaman line na odi wura Akwatia nko ade odu eye Livingstone Junction na obehu se checkpoint no start e free Livingstone Junction so honum aside the main police checkpoint ayenim dada to do honum na a police for no check wa na wadaro waja omo ama omayo madwuma kama se by election ebeko ye na sumdwe ebe Akwatiafo die eninti na IGP etu omo se omo beye medie ti ufri hon so a yetu aso free ho ebe piem ewo eye kede kwan so obi piem kede kwan so Topreman Junction so honum na Topreman Junction so omo amfri Kumasi ba Esiom so ne ade amobewrem ewo Akwatia no be piem ewo ho hu se checkpoint ne ba kun so ho a police for omo checki bibia kama na ofri hon so na o sane ede ba Akwatia nkasa unya pa yopo washing bay no ho sane be pon na full second one aka obedu latest phone honum na obe se checkpoint ba kun so ewo honum a police for no omo checki bibia kama o sane hon so na o ba wenim kakra o pa latest phone ho curve na ewo hono Benua, I think the Benua Junction I free hono. Careful more na obehu se checkpoint na ba kunso ewo hono ma police for ewo hono ma munso omubo ejum. Think say pentem twem hono no ebi wo hono ebi wo kede kwan so bebi omo felegas nyina bi wo but yen do eye Topreman Junction so na yen yedane ye ho hono na yedane ye ho esande wiem ewa Akwatia nti ufu won so abebia obesen hye bi eye extreme enim hono bi e friend GCD Junction ana GCD Junction sana ye defre ho ana extreme pub enim ho na obon se checkpoint na ba kun so ho na mum ho de na yade se police for no umuni ho sesi ya gidi se entonkusi enumre de na omoye active ewo ho so a di sesi ya bebi omo won sesi ya de bebi obefri bi obewura Akwatia bia yade se obewura mu ana se ombe ubehu ma na ombehu se okuta ka se okuta moto yade se bebi obefe bia de wura Akwatia police for no obesan bi hu ansa na otumi ewura Akwatia nti ufri hon so ufri extreme audience na uba wenima ubipiem ewo ye Y Junction otumi se hode ndie mu ye din pa because hone bibia udfadu Akwatia kruma nkasa Y Junction hode otumi se ade se omani abre ewo hopa ho check boot o car no passenger side pija domat na ye gugu form on pija nyina ehwe ase hu se bibia enyo gidi se exercise omo ye exercise omo ye dia hwe se obi emfa bibi boni bia any foreign material bia emfa nwura Akwatia from a net 22nd ya ka 11 days pepe ni ato abai omo hwe se obi emfa foreign material boni bia emfa nwura Akwatia hu se ka ba kokora de omo ani gina ho ayen ye san omo ho ekọ yisi ekọ twemu o yisi wo kodane ye ho sa ba na sa ka no particular car no ɔmo gu so check hwehwɛ sɛ bibi bɔne biara anaasɛ foreign material biara ɛnni car nim ɛyɛ mmienu nti na IGP tu abambɔfoɔ yi sɛ ɔmo ndi dwumasuo yi nti wofi baby ba anaasɛ wonim sɛ ɔba abɛto abɛyɛ bi otu wo akwantum na woba na wobɛpie so sɛ apolicefoɔ ɛwɔ checkpoint wobɛtumi aba sɛ checkpoint nyina obiara bɛkyɛke wo bi ɛndeɛ ɛma obumfu ɛyɛ dwumadi a ɔmodi ama asomdwe aba ɛwɔ ba election mu nti no wokɔpie so sa wadaro mɛnyɛ kokotii because ɛnyɛ adeɛ ɔmo hwɛ wode brɛ adeɛ a mestadi paa ne sɛ private cars akɛseɛ no anaasɛ private cars titiriw ɛna ɔmani ɛdi akyire paa nti ne yɛhwɛ wode brɛ anaasɛ yɛhwɛ nipa a woyɛ ɔmo hwɛ nipa a woyɛ dwuma a yɛasom ɔmo ɛno na ɔmo hwɛ sɛ ɔmo di akyire na ɔmo yɛ na ɛde asomdwe ɛne pɛpɛpɛ ne bambɔ kɛseɛ abrɛ akotiaman wɔ ɛyɛ ba election mu nti wobɛpie so wofi bibi ba na wobɛpie so awadaroma na wago ho ama apolicefoɔ no ɔmo ayɛ ɔmo adwuma sɛneɛ sɛ na ɛfata aha ɛyɛ Gyira TV bɔ mmɔden sɛ wobɛ like video na wahyɛ ama ɔdɔfoɔ bi a ne nsa ɛnso ɛnsa aka bi.
Question is, this is the same energy you gave us when we were going to Ablekuma. What happened? You allowed these NDC thugs to attack people unprovoked. How can the New Patriotic Party believe in IGP Yowonu? No, I do not know what you feel about it. But before we go into the other side of this conversation, do appreciate the videos and the high security presence in Akwatia. Bro.
Abusia, ahead of the by-election so on the 2nd of September ewo Akwatia Nintinom. NPP Amenyoko ewo Akwatia constituency eti omo hu gu mountain so ne as be me ha many nka emfa be 8, yes, close to 10. Womo to aso bebre enti omo wura Akwatia krom ekodane womo ho ana omo fa NPP esoro ho no manase NPP office ne so ana omo sansane ebegina Akwadu market wo Y Junction wo ana omo sambegina ho no say eti omo cars no eto aso ho eno na wohwe Akwati eto aso ho na amoyi barricade from omo cars no e de begu eye Y Junction ties bia e wo ho a ya serve as runabout amo de begu e ho no say enti police for no do omo gina ho no say kakra ehwe niam kakra then it's a but video no ever to us or say but this is to show say police for aba say one more baby boy and who one more aba say election no send your baby kobiano one more baby observe na fe amama election no I so peaceful it's wow fi baby ba now obey what gonna say wouldn't talk on eba na there you perceive a catcher say police for ewokum and your police for and I learned say army and I say soldier for I should say soldier for and so ewo town woman so ehwe de eko enti about 2 weeks to election and as a by election no police for asase eba town already there are videos are circulating I just say police for no amu training for this particular by election eba so ewa Akwatia constituency and no are circulating already and then amaba our